Today we have this 1937 Royal KHM antique desktop typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are located behind this foot panel. Right here is the right margin, and then the left margin is right here, and you just push down and move them like that. This guides the paper in, and you can move that from side to side too. I like to keep it right on the edge of the platen. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit the line space, get you back to the beginning, skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip the switch back 1, skips 2, 1 more, skips 3. We're going to keep it on single for now and continue typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type this in red on the next line. Beautiful typing machine. A lot of people consider this the best typing Royal that they made. Very sturdy and strong, powerful, easy to type on. Really like it. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward, and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, which allows you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock or multiple pages at once. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. This is your color selector switch. The middle one is blue. On the right side you have to use this. That's white, which the vibrator doesn't go up at all when you have it on white. When you have it on blue, it goes up, it hits the top portion. The red will hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. This is your ribbon direction. So if you switch it to the left, it'll pull to the left. If you switch it to the right, it'll pull to the right. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, you just hit that shift button again. Backspace on the top left here, that works good. Tabulator, right now I think we have one tab set. It'll stop at that one tab set right there. To clear it, you have to go behind it. There's a little switch right here on the top, and you just push that back and that manually clears it. And to set it, there's a tab stop set right here button. So like, let's say we want one in the middle, we just hit that, and now when you hit the tab button, it stops at that spot. You can set as many as you want. I like to keep one in the middle, that way if you accidentally hit that tab button, it doesn't go slamming all the way to the end, causing wear and tear on your typewriter. This is your margin release button right here. So if you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that locks the keys so you can't type, but if you hit that margin release, it'll allow you to type past that margin. That works good. Carriage release button on each side. This one's right on top of the knob. That works good. Here's a better look at that tab clear right there. And this is your carriage release on this side. And this, when you lift it up, it disables your spacing. When you flip it down, you hear that click. Each one of those clicks is a space. That works good. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.